We're here today in the Creek Falls Farm community of Milton, Delaware. A community with oversized home sites and a more rustic country style. I'm Dustin Oldfather from the Oldfather Group of Compass Real Estate, here today at 404 Hudson Road. One of the first things you'll notice about this property is the stately entryway coming into the property. You've got stone steps as well as a stone patio and a beautiful custom door coming into the grand foyer. This home was just renovated in a contemporary farmhouse style, and it has a versatile floor plan ideal for one-level living with a number of pre-inspections. We also have low HOA fees. As we move from the foyer to the great room, you'll see to the right we have a flex room or a substantial area that we use as an office or a family room, and then we have our first floor master. And then here, as we pass through, you'll move into the great room with a beautifully renovated kitchen and open concept floor plan. The kitchen renovation is clearly stunning. You'll notice the high-end fixtures, granite countertops, actually has built-in sockets as well for plugging in your computer. You have a butler's pantry, and then it moves through past the stainless steel appliances into a true formal dining room. This home encompasses 3 spacious bedrooms on the main level, offering plenty of room for study, sleep, and storage. The first floor master bedroom is a true retreat, complete with 2 walk-in closets, a private master bath featuring a stand-up shower, double vanities, and a relaxing jetted tub to soak away the stresses of the day. Upstairs, you'll find a bonus room with attic access and ample storage, along with a full bath for added convenience. Glass doors in the living room lead to the rear deck, a perfect spot for morning coffee or evening cocktails, all while overlooking the expansive and beautifully tree-lined backyard. You'll find that this home is ideally positioned to enjoy the proximity to the beaches, cafes, restaurants, shopping malls, outlets, museums, and a selection of premier schools. Thanks so much for visiting with us today at 404 Hudson Street here in beautiful Milton, Delaware, just a few minutes from Lewis Beach and downtown Milton. If you'd like to get a bid in, please send me a message or give me a call, and we'll get it in right away.